multiply 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. 3 multiply 5 is equal to 15. 3 multiply 6 is equal to 18. 3 multiply 7 is equal to 21. 3 multiply 8 is equal to 24. 3 multiply 9 is equal to 27. 3 multiply 10 is equal to 30.